Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install code blocks in your Windows operating system. So further any late, before I start this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for never miss any update. So let's start it. So for download code blocks, you need to open your favorite browser and search their code blocks. So as you can see, you need to visit here the first link which is appear here, which is from codeblocks.org. Just visit this link. So once you click on it, it will show you this kind of interface. So now from here you need to go to the downloads. So from here you need to choose here the option which is download the binary release. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it will show you this kind of web page where you can choose your platform where you want to install your CodeBlocks IDE. So for download, you need to scroll down. Here you can see Microsoft Windows. So there are several options available here for download. So at the time making this video, 20.03 is the latest version of CodeBlocks IDE. So from here we need to download this file which name is CodeBlocks 20.03 MinGW-setup.exe. Because if you don't download this setup, you need to download again the MinGW setup to run any code here. So that's why we need to download here this file. So for download this file, they give here two options. From here I just choose here the sourceforget.net. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it will show you a countdown. Once the countdown is 0, it will show you the download page. Okay. So as you can see, this is the file size which is 145.35 MB. So just download it. So once our download is complete, now we need to open our download folder from here. So as you can see, this is our code blocks file. So for install this, you need to double click on it. So once you double click on it, it will show you a message which is welcome to code block setup. From here you need to choose here the next option, and here is some license agreement. You just need to choose here the option which is agree. So now it will show you some of component which is need to be installed to run this CodeBlocks IDE. Just next here, and here you need to choose here the install. So once you click on this install, it will start the installation. So wait until the installation is complete. So once our CodeBlocks installation is complete, it will show you a message which is, do you want to run CodeBlocks now? You can choose here yes or not. I just choose here yes. Now it will open the code blocks. So once our code blocks is open, it will show you a environment error which say cannot find compiler executable in your configured search paths for GNU GCC compiler. So that means the GNU GCC compiler is not found. So now we are going to solve this problem. So for doing this, you need to close your code blocks, and now we are going to check our GNU GCC compiler is already installed or not. So for check this, you need to go to the search bar and search there cmd, and here is our command prompt now, and you need to right click on it and choose here the option which is run as administrator. So now it will open our command prompt as you can see. So here you need to write here a command which is gcc space double hyphen and write here version, then press the enter. So as you can see, the gcc is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means GCC compiler is not found. That's why code blocks show us this type of error. But our GCC compiler is already installed. To show you the proof, we need to go to the local disk C and go to the program files, and from here you need to go to the code blocks and then go to the MinGW, and from here you need to go to the bin, and from here what you need to do, you need to open here command prompt in this folder. For doing this, you need to just select this area and remove this path and write here cmd and press enter. Now it will open here the command prompt. So what you need to do, you need to again write here this command, which is gcc space double hyphen version, and press enter, and as you can see, our gcc compiler is already installed, and as you can see, it's a gcc built by MinGW w64 project, and its version is 8.1.0. So if your GCC compiler is already installed, so where is the problem to run the code blocks, right? So the problem is our code blocks is not found where is our GCC compiler is installed. So now we need to define the GCC compiler path in our environment so that our code blocks is identify where is our GCC compiler. Okay. So for doing this, you need to close the command prompt and you need to copy the path of your GCC compiler from here. Just select this and copy it. Okay. So once you copy it, then you need to go to the search bar and search their environment. So once you search their environment, it will show you this panel which name is edit the system environment variable. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it will show you the system properties. Now from here you need to choose here the environment variable, and here is our environment variable. So from here you need to go to the system variable and scroll down to the path. Here is our path. Just select the path and choose here the option which is edit, and once you click on it, it will show you this window where you need to create here a new path. So just go to the new, and as you can see, it's create a new path. So in this area you need to paste our GCC compiler file path. Okay. So as you can see, this is the path of our GCC compiler. So then what you need to do, just click on OK and again click on OK, and also choose here the option which is OK. So now what you need to do, we need to again open our command prompt to check our GCC compiler is found or not. So just open our command prompt and again write here the command which is gcc hyphen double dash version and press enter. As you can see, now it's find our GCC compiler. So now we can open our code blocks. So just close our command prompt and again open our code blocks IDE. So as you can see, there are no error is show here. So now what you need to do, we need to write here a C command and run this to check our code blocks is properly work or not. So first we need to write here a C code, then we write here a C++ code. So for doing this, you need to go to this icon and choose here empty file. So once you click on it, it will open a blank file. So in this blank file, before you write here any code, you need to save this file first. So for save this, you need to go to this icon and give here the file name. I just name it C program. and make sure that the file name extension is .c, because without the extension the file cannot be executed or run. And the save as file type is C/C++ files, and just click on save. So once you save this file, now this file is ready to execute any C code. So now you can write here any of C code. I just write here hello world code. So as you can see, this is our hello world code. So once you write here your C code, now for run this code you need to click here this icon, which is going to build and run your code. Just click on it. But as you can see, our code is cannot be able to run. So don't worry about it if you face this kind of problem. To solve this problem, you need to go to the settings, and from here you need to choose here the compiler. Now from here you need to choose here the global compiler setting. So here you need to select your compiler. From here you just choose here GNU GCC compiler, and then you need to go to the toolchain executables. Just click on it. So here you need to provide here your MinGW installation directory. So you don't need to do anything here. Okay, just choose here the option which is auto detect. Just click on it and click here OK. Then again click here OK. So then what you need to do, you need to go again this icon which is build and run. Just click on it, and as you can see, it is successfully run our C code. Here is our output, which is hello world. So now we are going to see how to run here the C++ code. So for doing this, you need to go to again this icon and choose here empty, and you need to save again this file. You can give here whatever you can want. I just name it CPP program, and make sure that the file name extension is .cpp, which is the extension of C++, and your save as file type is C/C++ file. Just save it, and now you can write here your C++ code. So here is our hello world C++ code, and for run this you need to go again this icon which is build and run, and as you can see, it is successfully run our C++ code. So that's all guys, how to install the CodeBlocks IDE in your Windows operating system. If you like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. And don't forget to like, comment and share. And I will see you guys in this next video inshallah. Thank you so much.